Do you ever wonder as you wander through the wilderness, what kind of rock is this? Hi, I'm Karrie from the Wilderness Center, and everyone who knows me knows that I love rocks. Rocks come in three main types based on how they form. Igneous rocks form when molten rock cools and hardens. Sedimentary rocks form when small pieces get stuck together. Metamorphic rocks form when a rock is exposed to extreme heat or pressure and it changes. In northern Ohio, we are lucky to have all three types of rocks rolling around thanks to the glaciers, but we have an awful lot of sedimentary rocks. That's because the bedrock in Ohio is mostly made of little pieces of sand, mud, and, get this, the bottoms of ancient oceans. The land as we know it was once underwater and had lots of little sea creatures swimming around. Hard to believe when we look outside now, but geologists know this by finding fossils, evidence of ancient life. Maybe you've seen some seashell shapes in rocks too? Not all of the time, but quite often these fossils appear in a rock called limestone. Limestone is made of calcium carbonate, which is special because when combined with a strong acid, it fizzes and bubbles. While geologists use a lot of different tools to help identify rocks, this is one that you can try in your very own backyard. With an adult's permission, ask for some white vinegar. Chances are you have it in your kitchen. While geologists use a stronger acid, good old vinegar will also work. Also, find a clear plastic container with a lid. Pour some vinegar into the container, put on the lid, grab your boots, and let's go outside. Limestone usually looks more light gray than it does brown, but if you find a rock and want to know if it is limestone, first make sure it's clean from mud and just set it in the vinegar. You'll have to wait a bit to see if it reacts because vinegar is a weak acid. Do you see bubbles? If not, you don't have limestone. If yes, you do. You are studying the bottom of an ancient ocean. You can find rocks just about anywhere outside. Maybe someone you know has a gravel driveway. Check your backyard, or your park, or even your favorite nature trail. When you're done, just pour your vinegar down the drain and wash your container. At the Wilderness Center, we love sharing science with you, and we love it even more when you share your science discoveries with us. So if you found a cool rock in your backyard and figured it out with some kitchen chemistry, post below and we would love to find out what you learned. Until next time, when we wander and wonder through the wilderness again.